Alright. No, actually, I'm not making this up about meme coins. Alright. Let's take a look at Floki. This coin is named after Elon Musk's dog. Yes, you heard that.
Wow.
The story behind this Floki meme coin is awesome, and one of the reasons it is trending. This coin, Floki coin, has a market cap of over $2 billion US. Yes, you heard that right, $2 billion. This coin also has a huge and energetic social media fan base and is doing well. That's not just all. I know some might think that, okay, alright, since it's so, let me just come up with my pet parrot now and make it a meme coin. Oh, I know it might sound simple and technically possible, but it's not as simple as that in reality. Alright, you can't just wake up with your pet and say you want to transform it into a meme coin. Do you know why?
No.
The Floki coin is actually doing well because of the influence of its owner, one and only Elon Musk. Yes, people have much trust in Tesla billionaire, and any tweet he makes or any coin he promotes at all usually end up well. So that's it. We all know how influential Elon Musk is. Yes, he's that influential. He could sell water to a dolphin in the sea and the dolphin will happily buy it. That's how it is. So actually, before you think of using your pet to make a meme coin, ask yourself, are you as popular or influential as Elon Musk? The lesson here is ensure that you have a very strong fan base that actually vibes with you, and make sure that you flow well with them. Yes, meme coins do well because people enjoy funny stuff on social media. That's not just all. There are other reasons why meme coins do well. What are they?
Aha.
Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Yes, this coin skyrocketed and grew up way too fast. Same as Doge coin. You all know it. And yes, Elon Musk helped these coins grow by actively promotion through his tweets and posts on social media. Alright? Okay. And if you remember well, you know that Mark Cuban too also posted and tweeted about these coins, helping them in growth. Okay?
What?
Sharp folks saw the potential and quickly invested in these coins. And today they are glad they did. Why? Because shortly after that, the price traveled high, making them rich, like super rich. The truth is, not all coins will do well.
What?
As you all know, there are coins that have been around before Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. But these coins became viral. Why? Due to the power of social media and the influence of the renowned promoters. So you should take these coins seriously, guys.
Thank you.
Investors are constantly looking for ways to promote their coins, and they have discovered that meme coins work well. Why? Because people actually like funny stuff and will engage with search on social media, sharing with friends who also laugh very hard and promote these memes, causing a chain reaction. And this is why they go viral, like really wide.